Chime Pro versus Chime. What's the difference? Choosing the right Chime product can transform how you manage home security and connectivity without confusing setups or limited features. We'll explore both Chime Pro and Chime briefly to help you decide. Chime and Chime Pro are smart home devices designed to enhance your doorbell and security system. The core difference lies in Chime Pro's ability to extend Wi-Fi range and boost device connectivity, while Chime focuses on simple alerts and notifications. Chime is a compact smart device that pairs with your existing Ring doorbell or security system to provide audible alerts inside your home. It works by connecting to your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to hear doorbell rings or motion alerts without relying on your phone. Its strengths include easy setup, portability, and clear sound notifications. However, Chime does not enhance Wi-Fi coverage or improve device connectivity, which can limit performance if your doorbell is far from your router. Ideal users are those who want a straightforward way to hear alerts indoors without extra features or network enhancements. Chime is perfect for small to medium homes with reliable Wi-Fi signals, offering convenience without complexity. Chime Pro builds on the original Chime by adding a dual function as both an alert device and a Wi-Fi extender. It connects to your home network to provide audible notifications while boosting Wi-Fi signals specifically for Ring devices. This improves device responsiveness and reduces connectivity issues, especially in larger homes or areas with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Strengths include extended range, better network stability for your security devices, and easy integration with existing Ring systems. Limitations are a higher price point and the need for placement within range of your router to function effectively as a repeater. The ideal user is someone with a larger property or Wi-Fi dead zones, who needs reliable alerts and improved device connectivity. Chime Pro offers a comprehensive solution for enhanced performance and coverage. Comparing Chime and Chime Pro highlights key trade-offs. Chime is a budget-friendly, simple alert device ideal for homes with strong Wi-Fi and limited space. It delivers clear notifications but does not address connectivity issues. On the other hand, Chime Pro is designed for larger homes or environments with Wi-Fi challenges, combining alert functionality with a Wi-Fi extender to boost Ring device performance. While Chime Pro costs more and requires strategic placement, it solves common problems like drop signals and slow response times. If your home struggles with Wi-Fi range, Chime Pro offers a practical upgrade. For smaller setups or straightforward alert needs, Chime is sufficient and more affordable. Choose Chime if you want a simple, effective indoor alert system and have a reliable Wi-Fi network without the need for extended coverage. Option Chime Pro if you need to strengthen your Wi-Fi for better Ring device performance and want reliable alerts throughout a larger home. It combines convenience with enhanced connectivity, making it the smarter choice for comprehensive home security.